Independence means making my own choices. Life for me is a painting, and I should have the option to pick the colors that I want to paint on that canvas, whether it's black and white or in colors. Independence means everything doing with a responsibility, making your choices responsibly. So, what does independence mean to you? Well, your independence is how you spend your time on a Friday evening. This is the 3rd of July 2020, 8:01. This is Madhvi Batula bringing you Shame Gana along with Indus TV and PGA. Hafte bar hafte, we've been bringing this beautiful musical presentation on Friday evenings, 8 onwards, where wonderful presenters come and show their talent of singing. Independence Day celebrations, of course, we are all talking about that. How are we going to celebrate? We will know from you in a while. We celebrate the Declaration of Independence for two reasons. It represents an official serving of ties between the original 13 colonies and the rule of Great Britain, but it also represents the core of our beliefs, the very makeup of our identity as citizens of the United States. Happy birthday, America. Welcome to Shame Gana. I'm Madhvi Batula. This evening, I'm joined by Rajesh, Rashmi, Nisha, Bharat, Dr. Tushar Patel, and Anika. We welcome Anika to start off this program.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the rampart we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets roared by, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free, home of the brave? Hi.
Thank you so much. The Star Spangled Banner is the national anthem of the United States, the lyrics from The Defense of Fort Henry, a poem written on September 14th, 1814. Thank you, Anika, for that spirit that you brought in all of us. Introduce yourself, Anika. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Anika, and I am 15 years old. I go to Northern Burlington High School, and I'm going into 10th grade.
Oh, congratulations. So you're excited about online school or going back to school?
I'm excited for whatever comes my way.
That's the spirit. And what does independence and freedom mean to you?
Independence and freedom means to be able to have free speech and free rights in our country, and to have the feeling of being empowered and being able to stand with confidence.
Absolutely. We wish you the best in your endeavors. And of course, responsibility is also a very key word. You're a young talent and we wish you the best. Thank you so much, Anika. Once again, friends, welcome to Shamegana Indus TV ka presentation along with PGA. I'm Madhvi Batula. This evening, I'm joined by Rajesh, Rashmi, Nisha, Bharat, and Dr. Tushar Patel. It is a houseful evening. So let's kick off by introducing our participants. And of course, as they introduce themselves, we'll kick off the program with a song. Let's start with Rajesh. Rajesh, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you very much.
Happy Independence Day to you.
Happy Independence to you and all the viewers.
Absolutely. Thank you. What does independence mean to you, Rajesh?
Independence is, I think, the birthright of every human being. Everybody should be independent. And everybody, we are very thankful that we have the freedom and the independence to live our life the way we want.
Absolutely. And congratulations on this evening and happy Independence Day to you. Let's kick off this second segment of this evening with a beautiful song by Rajesh. Rajesh, Gana introduce kijiye.
So the song that I'm going to sing for you first is a very nice melody from the film Padosan.
Okay.
Though the song that I'm singing right now is from a more recent arrangement that was done for the movie Dil Vil Pyar Vyar. I love this arrangement and I hope you do the same. So let's hear it.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो तुम ही तो लाए हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली तुमसे कहने वाली और भी हैं प्यारी बातें तुमसे कहने वाली और भी हैं प्यारी बातें सामने सबके बोलो कैसे कह दूं सारी बस इतना ही करना है इकरार तुम ही तो लाए हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 कब से दिल ने मेरे मान लिया है तुमको अपना कब से दिल ने मेरे मान लिया है तुमको अपना आंखें मेरी देख रही है जागते सोते ये सपना जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो तुम ही तो लाए हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 तुम ही तो लाए जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 हो प्यार प्यार प्यार
you. Thank you, Rajesh. कहते हैं कि independence is a moral virtue. You know, avoiding debts with others, people makes you in control of your own life. Independence also makes you a creator rather than a user. When you have independence, you have the freedom to do things. So you start creating things and creating opportunities, creating moments, creating memories. Everything about independence is the seeding, the sowing of the seed. So let's get to Rashmi now and let's see what Rashmi has in store. Hi, Rashmi, how are you?
Hi, Madhavi. Thank you so much. I'm so fine. How are you?
All very good. Happy Independence Day to you. And tell me, what does freedom mean to you?
Independence for me is freedom of expressions, freedom of speech, and equal rights for everyone.
Equal rights for everyone. And coming from a woman, we stand for that together. Okay, अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए हमारे viewers को.
Hello, everyone, and happy Independence Day to all of you. And my name is Rashmi Kulkarni. I'm a IT professional, and I have great passion for singing. So I feel really grateful to be a part of such a wonderful group, Hidden Gems, who have been doing charities for all these years. And I've been with them for 14 years. So the slogan we have is sing with passion and serve a cause. So we all are tied with the same support initiative.
Absolutely. Fantastic knowing about that. Rashmi, go ahead with your first song of the evening.
So the first song I would like to sing is one of my favorites. It's from the movie Murder, and it goes Dil Ko Hazar Baar Roka. It's a newer movie, like kind of newer, but I hope you all enjoy.
Go ahead.
दिल को हजार बार रोका रोका रोका, बचना इस आशिक से बचना, कांटों की दोस्ती से बचना, बचना इस आशिक से बचना, कांटों की दोस्ती से बचना, आंखों में भर ले अंधेरा, तू ऐसी रोशनी से बचना, दिल को हजार बार रोका रोका रोका, दिल को हजार बार टोका टोका टोका, है हवाओं का झोंका झोंका झोंका, दिल को बचाना धोखा न खाना, धोखा है प्यारा प्यार है धोखा, दिल को हजार बार रोका रोका रोका, दिल को हजार बार टोका टोका टोका, दिल को हजार बार रोका रोका रोका।
थैंक यू। दिल की रोक टोक हमें मंजूर है, लेकिन अगर बाहर से कोई हमें रोक टोक कर दे वो हमें बिल्कुल मंजूर नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट इज डेफिनेटली अ थ्रेट टू आवर इंडिपेंडेंस एंड बेसिक डिग्निटी ऑफ लाइफ। मर्डर फिल्म से गाना अलीशा चिनाई की ओरिजिनल आवाज थी, और यहाँ पर ओरिजिनल आवाज में रश्मि ने हमारे लिए पेश किया लिरिक्स बाय Rahat Indori, music by Anu Malik. Now, when you talk about Anu Malik and Alisha Chennai, there's lots to talk about. दिल को रोकने की बात और टोकने की बात ही होती है। चलिए बात करते हैं कुछ और इंडिपेंडेंस के बारे में, कि पर्सनल इंडिपेंडेंस, इमोशनल इंडिपेंडेंस, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस। हम निशा से पूछते हैं कि उसे कौन सा इंडिपेंडेंस पसंद है। हाय निशा, हाउ आर यू?
Hi Madhvi, doing good. How are you?
ऑल फैंटास्टिक। निशा आप बताइए, पर्सनल इंडिपेंडेंस, इमोशनल इंडिपेंडेंस, फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस, अगर प्रायोरिटी दे तो कौन सा आप रेटिंग देंगे?
I think number one to all, because all are
Good.
equally important.
That's good. So introduce yourself to our viewers and then we'll hear your songs.
Hi everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight. My name is Nisha Brajesh, and I've been with Hidden Gems for around 5 years now, and it's been an absolutely wonderful journey so far. I'm pretty honored and grateful to be part of this community. We've raised about 350K so far till date from our various programs, and we continue to raise more to be able to help more organizations. I've been an IT professional for almost 20 years, but as of now, I pursue my passion full time. I've learned Hindustani classicals for around 15 years collectively, and I continue to do so. I also teach beginners, and if you get a chance, do stop by my website, nishabrajesh.com, and hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Absolutely. Let's, we are looking forward to your first presentation of the evening. Please go ahead.
So it's going to be Main Tenu Samjhawa, the unplugged version by Alia Bhatt.
Go ahead.
मैं तेनू समझावा कि
की ताबीबा चंगा नहीं की ताबीबा दिल मेरा तोड़ के भी बड़ा पछताया था, भी बड़ा पछताया था नाल तेरे जोड़ के। Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच निशा, बहुत ही सुहाना सफर हो रहा है, समा भी बन गया है। जी हाँ, इंडस टीवी की प्रेजेंटेशन अलोंग विद पीजीए, दिस इज शामे गाना, आई एम माधवी बतुला। ऑफ कोर्स एक के बाद एक हसीन प्रेजेंटेशन यहाँ पर, एंड लेट्स गेट टू मीट आवर नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर सिंगर भरत। भरत, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम वेरी गुड। माधवी, हाउ आर यू?
All very good. Acha,
Happy
once
Independence Day to you.
same to you. Acha, before we start further, there's a little input from all our viewers कि आप लोगों की वॉल्यूम थोड़ी कम है, तो माइक्स की जो सेटिंग है प्लीज थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कीजिएगा. All of you please check that. And Bharat, introduce yourself to our viewers.
So my name is Bharat Parulekar, and first of all, I would like to thank Indus TV, Tushar Bhai Patel and Madhavi you for giving Hidden Gems an opportunity to sing in front of. Actually, in true sense, we are global. If you look at it, because we have people in the US. Good evening, people in US. Happy Independence Day. Good evening, people in UK. And of course, good morning, Mera Bharat Man. I see a lot of people logging in at this time. It's about 5:30, 5:45 there. So thank you very much, Madhavi. Yeah.
A pleasure is ours. अच्छा भरत, एक सवाल, आपके गाने से पहले आप मैरिड हैं? इतना सोच रहे हैं आप, हाँ या ना?
हाँ जरूर, एब्सोल्युटली फुल्ली
तो
मैरिड।
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू यू।
मुझे पता था, इसीलिए मैं सोच रहा था कि क्या पता नहीं क्या जवाब देने का।
हाँ, आपके सारे डिसीजंस बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए, हमें पता चल गया।
या
अच्छा, व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर
चॉइस
योर?
नहीं दी वैसे।
चॉइस नहीं है सर, लेकिन गाने की चॉइस आपके पास है, आप अपने गाने को इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए, एंड लेट्स गेट किक स्टार्टेड विद योर सेशन।
सो मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो मैं गाना गाने वाला हूँ उस पे आई वुड लाइक टू हैव एवरीवन हु इज वाचिंग अस गेट अप एंड आपकी और आपका स्पाउस का हाथ थामिए और डांस फ्लोर पे आ जाइए, बिकॉज बाहर तो समा बहुत ख़राब है, तो ये सब आप बाहर नहीं कर सकते, क्लब्स में भी नहीं कर सकते, तो यहाँ क्यों नहीं? Isn't it a good opportunity? So please guys, Vijay को भी साथ लीजिए, and we can see you as well. So essentially, basically what I'm requesting you to is put on your dancing shoes. It's a slow song, but you can just move and groove.
Okay, you get ready and I'll call Vijay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
समा है सुहाना सुहाना, नशे में जहाँ है, किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है, हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है, समा है सुहाना सुहाना। कह रही है नजर नजर से अफसाने, कह रही है नजर नजर से अफसाने, हो रहा है असर कि जिसको दिल जाने, देखो ये दिल की अजब दास्तां है, नजर बोलती है दिल बेजुबां है, नशे में जहाँ है, किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है, हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है, समा है सुहाना सुहाना, नशे में जहाँ है, किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है, हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है।
Wow, thank you so much, Bharat. Beautiful. घर घर की कहानी, इंडिपेंडेंस डे मुबारक हर घर में. इस फिल्म के जो स्टार कास्ट थी, oh my goodness, बलराज सानी, निरुपमा रॉय, राकेश रोशन, भारती, ओम प्रकाश, जगदीप. I think I should stop there, but I would like to continue. Shashi Kala, and there were so many more. And the music, of course, by Kalyan ji, Anand ji. Thank you so much, Bharat. And let's say a big hello to Dr. Tushar Patel and ask him what independence and freedom means to him. How are you this evening, Dr. Patel?
Hello, everyone. Good evening. Welcome to Shamegana, episode number 14. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you, Madhvi, Indus TV, for this wonderful platform for our local talents. For me, Independence Day means pledge to our flag under God with liberty, equality, and justice for all. I think it's needed right now more than before. So I think let's get together, have a wonderful patriotic 4th of July tomorrow, and let's have a wonderful Independence Day.
Absolutely. And what is your saying for all these wonderful participants who had the first round of their songs?
I think I can tell you right now from the numbers, we have more than 110 participants on Zoom itself, which never happened before. So that's kudos number one. And we are on Facebook Live, and I'm also going on many channels of Facebook. So I think a lot of people are watching worldwide, like previously said.
Wonderful. So I'll come back to you again and check more about what are your theories on independence. Let's get to Rajesh. Rajesh, are you ready for the second round?
Yes, I am, Madhavi. If you don't mind, I'd like to introduce, say a little bit more about our group.
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Yeah, so my name is Rajesh Kulkarni. I didn't get to introduce in my first round before.
I was getting to you.
Yeah, my name is Rajesh Kulkarni, and I am part of the Hidden Gems group. I come from Mumbai and came to the US about 24 years back. Got into track singing at around 2003. And then since then, it has been my passion to sing. So a little bit journey about Hidden Gems and a quick introduction about our group. Myself and Mahendra Solanki is a friend of mine. We used to sing together around 2000, in early 2000s. And in 2004, tsunami struck the Asia Pacific region. And we decided that we should do something for the victims. So we announced to do a program and got a lot of support from our friends. Announced a program on February 2005. We did 2 programs and raised about $10,000 for the victims. That really gave us a lot of confidence and felt good. We decided to stick together as friends and sing for fun. But the word of mouth sort of got around, and people started inviting us to their private events and started paying us money. So we did not have any commercial intentions, so we started donating that money. And that's how Hidden Gems over the years have become a non-profit organization. So we are now a non-profit 501c3 with a motto of sing with passion, support a cause. So that's what we do. In the last 5-6 years, we have started doing live programs. We do one big event every year. A typical turnout is about 900 to 1,000 people, and typically we raise $40,000 to $60,000 in every program. And we really thank the support of all our friends and sponsors and our fans. and hope you are enjoying this evening that we are bringing to you.
We are, and let's go ahead with your song.
Yes, the song that I'm going to do is an older number. Again, it's a nice romantic number. I have my wife who is sitting right in front of me here in the basement. I hope you have your loved ones also in front of you and enjoy this song.
Go ahead.
ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो कल की किसको खबर, एक रात होके निडर मुझे जीने दो, ये नयन डरे डरे। रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलबर। रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी, तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलबर, और तुझसे हंसी, और तुझसे हंसी तेरा प्यार। तू जानना ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो ये नयन डरे डरे। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी। प्यार में है जीवन की खुशी, देती है खुशी कई गम भी। मैं मान भी लूं, मैं मान भी लूं कभी हार, तू माने ना ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो कल की किसको खबर, एक रात होके निडर मुझे जीने दो, ये नयन डरे डरे, ये जाम भरे भरे, जरा पीने दो ये मुझे जीने दो, ये नयन डरे डरे।
Thank you. कोहरा फिल्म से ये गाना, Hemant Kumar's music and Hemant Kumar's voice in the original. Of course, we had Rajesh who presented this beautifully. डरे डरे से सहमे सहमे से थोड़े बहुत तो होंगे हम लोग, लेकिन ऐसी एक शाम हो जब सब साथ हो तो किस बात का डरना। खाना पीना, गाना और नाचना हमारी जिंदगी का मकसद बन गया है। खाना, कुछ लोगों ने डिनर कर लिया, कुछ लोग ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग करने वाले हैं। गाना चल रहा है, और अगर नाचने की बात अगर आए तो वेल, अ पायनियरिंग फोर्स इन हिंदी सिनेमा, सरोज खान was known for films like Beta, Teza, Tal and many more. Over the course of her career over decades, 300 plus movies, 2000 plus songs, she made us groove, she made us dance on her hook steps, and I think that's what we are all popular also in our parties when we try to imitate those steps. 3 National Film Awards for Best Choreography, and I think she also holds the record for the most Filmfare Best Choreographer Awards. May her soul rest in peace. Thank you for a wonderful, wonderful journey of your presentation and making people with 2 left feet also dance, Saroj Khan ji. Wherever you are, आपको जन्नत नसीब हो। रश्मि जी, आप डांस करती हैं? गाती तो हैं? आप कोरियोग्राफर हैं? अच्छा, कुछ और बताइए। थोड़ा सा अपने माइक का वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कीजिए प्लीज।
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ, this is better. हाँ जी, आप डांस के बारे में कुछ कह रही थी?
Yeah, whenever I get any opportunities in any events, or I have a circle of friends, they would like to participate. We all get together after the daily chores. We just hang out after 9 o'clock in the night and practice and go and perform. And I really love to dance, so I take some kids groups, my groups, and we just enjoy. It's about just the journey and enjoying it, and making more friends and dancing to all the tunes. So I love to choreograph and dance as
Absolutely. Fantastic. So that is another hidden talent which is outside for people like us who didn't know much about Rashmi. So now we also know that she's a choreographer. Go ahead with your second song. And as you're getting ready, welcome to all the people who have just joined us on Zoom, Facebook Live and YouTube. This is Indus TV's presentation, Sham E Gana. Rashmi ji, mic is yours.
मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे मैं जहां से, ये क्या हुआ। मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे मैं जहां से, ये क्या हुआ। उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, ये जाने मैं कहाँ। उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, ये जाने मैं कहाँ। मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे मैं जहां से, ये क्या हुआ। ज़मीं पे या बादल पे, उलझे सितारे आके आंचल से। पाँव ज़मीं पे या बादल पे, उलझे सितारे आके आंचल से। जी ली उम्र सारी इस पल में, कुछ भी नहीं अब मेरे कल में। उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, ये जाने मैं कहाँ। उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, ये जाने मैं कहाँ। मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे मैं जहां से, ये क्या हुआ। उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, ये जाने मैं कहाँ। उड़ी नींदें आंखों से जुड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, ये जाने मैं कहाँ।
तालियों की गूंज हमें तो सुनाई दे रही है. थैंक यू सो मच. गुजारिश फिल्म से एक गाना पिक किया आपने. It is a romantic drama and a very powerful movie, and not many people liked it because it was not like a commercial kind of a film. But of course, with commercial actors, the presentation was wonderful by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan, and Aditya Rai Kapoor. Thank you so much. Now let's get to Nisha. Nisha, आप तैयार हैं?
Yes.
अच्छा, चलिए बताइए कौन सा
Stand
गाना
for
आपने
this
पिक किया?
So the next one is Dil To Hai Dil from the movie Muqaddar Ka Sikandar by
Okay,
Lata
go ahead.
Mangeshkar.
Go ahead.
दिल तो है दिल का एतबार क्या कीजिए. दिल तो है दिल का एतबार क्या कीजिए. आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए. आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए. दिल तो है दिल का एतबार क्या कीजिए. यादों में तेरी खोई रातों को मैं ना सोई. हालत मेरे मन की जाने न जाने कोई. बरसों है तरसी आँखें जागी है प्यासी रातें. आई है आते आते होठों पे दिल की बातें. प्यार में तेरे दिल का मेरे कुछ भी हो अनजान. बेकरारी में है करार क्या कीजिए. आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए. आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए. छाई है मन में मेरे मदहोश नैना तेरे. घेरे है तन को मेरे तेरी बाहों के घेरे. दूरी सही ना जाए चैन कहीं ना आए. चलना है अब तो तेरी पलकों के साए साए. बस न चले रे शाम सवेरे लेके तेरा नाम. दिल धड़कता है बार बार क्या कीजिए. आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए. आ गया जो किसी पे प्यार क्या कीजिए. दिल तो है दिल का एतबार क्या कीजिए.
बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब. At the 26th Filmfare Awards, this movie was nominated in 9 categories, including the best film. But कोई भी category में इस फिल्म को अवार्ड नहीं मिला, लेकिन आज भी इस फिल्म को लोग याद करते हैं कॉन्करर ऑफ डेस्टिनी, मुकद्दर का सिकंदर 1978 की फिल्म. And let's get to Bharat.
So Madhavi, first of all, you're doing an awesome job. I mean, you're like an encyclopedia out here, you know. काफ़ी चीज़ें जो मुझे पता ही नहीं थी, आप बड़ी अच्छी तरीके से समझा रही है. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
तो मैं भी कुछ जरा हिडन जेम्स के बारे में बता दूँ. So for me personally, you know, I've been with Hidden Gems for the last 15 years now. It's a matter of pride and honor for me to be associated with this group, and not just the group, but the wonderful people associated with this group. They are even more wonderful than the group itself, because people make the group, right? So I would like to thank the founders Rajesh Kulkarni and Mahindra, of course, for allowing me to be a part of it. And yeah, so I am ready with my first song, but before that, with my second song, sorry, but before that, you know, while Rajesh, Rashmi and Nisha spoke about what, where, when, I would like to talk about how we do it. So essentially, in a year, we do there are two types of categories. One is private events, one is public events. So private events, you know, we go to anyone's basement when they have a reason to enjoy. They call us, we go there, we sing for 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever time, and we collect the proceeds out of that. So those programs can be in your basement, in your backyard, wherever. And the proceeds are distributed to an institution, which we have a committee for deciding which institution will donate it to, and we do that. The second part is the public event, which we do once a year. We've been doing since the last 7 years now, since 2013. You can see all the flyers and everything behind me. That's our achievement so far, and that we do with live music and orchestra. So this year we could not perform, but we are doing it here. So privileged to be a part of this event as well, and I'm ready with my next one now.
Absolutely, go ahead. And for everybody who has just joined us, welcome once again to Shame Gana Indus TV ka presentation along with PGA. Every Friday at 8 baje we have this beautiful musical presentation where our very own talents from Tri-State give us a beautiful evening. And Bharat is ready with his next song.
कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो, क्या कहना है, क्या सुनना है, मुझको पता है, तुमको पता है, समय का ये पल थम सा गया है, और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो। कितने गहरे हल्के शाम के रंग है छलके, पर्वत से यूं उतरे बादल जैसे आंचल ढलके, कितने गहरे हल्के शाम के रंग है छलके, पर्वत से यूं उतरे बादल जैसे आंचल ढलके और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो, कुछ ना कहो, कुछ भी ना कहो। सुलगी सुलगी सांसें, बहकी बहकी धड़कन, महके महके शाम के साए, पिघले पिघले तन मन। सुलगी सुलगी सांसें, बहकी बहकी धड़कन, महके महके शाम।
Bharat? I think we have a little technical glitch, but nevertheless, we'll catch up with Bharat soon. Am I the only one who can't hear him?
I think we have lost Bharat.
We have lost Bharat. Bharat ko dhoondne ko,
He should join back.
he should be joining us back. In the meantime, Rajesh, just catch us, give us a little more information more about Hidden Gems and what was the last program, most memorable program that you guys presented?
Yeah, so Hidden Gems, we started as a track singing group, and you know, we got a lot of love and support from a lot of our friends. We started doing live programs from 2013, and we had fun doing that, right? So our recent program that we did, I think one of the most fun programs we did was the Kalyanji Anandji and
Okay.
Lakshmikant Parallel, right? We called it Kalp, Kalyanji Anandji, Lakshmikant Parallel, and we did their songs. And typically when we do our live programs, right, we have like about 10 musicians and we have 13 or 14 instruments that they play on stage. And the whole journey, right, of creating a program is just amazing. So more than the hour or 2 hour or 3 hours programs, right, we typically have with a break. It is the journey that we do over a couple of months. That is the fun, right? We get into the basement, we do some practice sessions, and we sing along. So it's a fun all the way around. And then our group also does the administration or the whole arrangement of the program. So we sell tickets, we get sponsors, and with the venue and all that. So that is all organized by Hidden Gems. So it's a family. We have fun while we're doing that, and every year we look forward to doing one program. Our fans, we have a good following. Our fans do support us. They turn out in hordes. So it's a fun event. One of the regular events that we have done, right, is our township event. We called it the Beechwood event. Our township has a regular summer evenings. Every Friday they do, some group comes and performs. So we do there, one of those evenings we go and perform. That's another fun event where we do dance numbers, not only for the Indian audience, but we get a lot of non-Indian local people who come there to have just fun and dance with us, right, in an open air kind of an environment. So that's also fun.
This is very good to know. And of course, all the viewers who are watching us live right now, of course, they know where to reach you guys. And friends, this is Shame Gana, Indus TV's presentation. And Rajesh has been giving us some information about Hidden Gems and all the activities and events and what kind of support system they have. Rajesh, are you ready with your next song?
Yes, absolutely. We can do the next song.
Okay, let's pick it up.
So the song that I'm going to do next is another melodious number. I love this number. I love to sing Kishore Kumar, Mukesh, you know, those songs from that time. So this is a Rajesh Khanna Amitabh picturized song in the movie Anand. Typically, these golden melodies, people just everybody loves that, right? So I hope everybody you like it also. So let's hear it.
Yes.
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें कभी यूं ही जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें कभी मचल के प्यार से छल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते कहीं तो ये दिल कभी मिल नहीं पाते कहीं से निकल आए जन्मों के नाते है मीठी उलझन बैरी अपना मन अपना ही होके सहे दर्द पर आए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए
बहुत ही मेलोडी भरा हुआ इवनिंग है. थैंक यू सो मच राजेश. आई नो इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर सॉन्ग्स एंड पीपल लव टू हियर दैट. एंड आपकी आवाज में तो कमाल ही कमाल हुआ. आनंद फिल्म से गाना आपने पिक किया. दिस फिल्म इज काउंटेड अमंग द 17 consecutive हिट फिल्म्स ऑफ राजेश खन्ना. बीच में आई थिंक उन्होंने एक दो फिल्में की थी जिसमें एक और हीरो भी थे, जैसे आई थिंक मर्यादा एंड अंदाज. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट मूवीज वेयर अमिताभ बच्चन एंड राजेश खन्ना एक्टेड टुगेदर. दोनों को फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड मिला, एक को लीड एक्टर और एक को सपोर्टिंग एक्टर. वाह, कैसी यादें ताजा हो गई आज की शाम शामे गाना. लेट्स गेट टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर रश्मि. रश्मि जी, आप अपने फैंस को कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? बहुत प्यार और आशीर्वाद आपको मिल रहा है कमेंट्स में. वी सी दैट एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू मस्ट डेफिनेटली रिस्पोंड टू ऑल ऑफ देम.
Yes, definitely. Really thankful to all of you joining via Zoom and on Facebook, and enjoying us, and keep joining, keep enjoying, keep listening till the end, and really appreciate that, and thank you so much from the bottom of the heart.
The pleasure is all ours. अच्छा रश्मि जी एक बात बताइए, in a day we have a different types of moods, ग्राफ की तरह अप एंड डाउन होता है. जब आपको अपना मूड एकदम पेपी करना होता है, आप कौन सा गाना गुनगुनाती हैं?
ये अगला वाला, अगर मुझको बहुत सारी एनर्जी की जरूरत है, so then this is one of the songs really which is peppy, energetic. It's I think evergreen. It's not the melodious golden kind of song, but it is really peppy, and it's Runa Laila's song. So
okay, I think I got you on the spot. Go ahead.
Yes. All right. So let's get going, and I'll just start the song.
Right.
रखियो बाला झूले लालन, हो लाल मेरी पट रखियो बाला झूले लालन. सिंदड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाद कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर. हो लाल मेरी लाल चराग मेरे वर्ण हमेशा, ओ चार चराग तेरे वर्ण हमेशा, चार चराग तेरे वर्ण हमेशा. पंजवा में बारण आई बाला झूले लालन, ओ पंजवा में बारण, पंजवा में बारण आई बना झूले लालन. सिंदड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाज कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर. ओ लाल मेरी लाल मेरी. हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे, ओ हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे, हिंद सिंध पीरा तेरी नौबत बाजे. नाल बजे घड़ी याल बजे झूले लालन, हो नाल बजे, नाल बजे घड़ी याल बाजे झूले लालन. सिंदड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाज कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दम दम दे अंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर. हो लाल मेरी, हो लाल मेरी. हरदम पीरा तेरी खैर होवे, ओ हरदम पीरा तेरी खैर होवे, हरदम पीरा तेरी खैर होवे. नामे अली बेड़ा पार लगा झूले लालन, हो नामे अली, नामे अली बेड़ा पार लगा झूले लालन. सिंदड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाज कलंदर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर, अली दा पहला नंबर, दमादम मस्त कलंदर अलई दम दम दे अंदर ओ लाल मेरी मत रखियो बला झूले लालण सिंदड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाज कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम दे अंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर
Wow, सुकून मिल गया. A spiritual Sufi song written in the honor of the most revered Sufi saint of Sindh, Lal Shahbaz Qalandar. आप सबको पता ही है कि the original poem was initially written by the 13th century poet Amir Khusro. Then further it was modified by Bulleh Shah. Thank you so much. So beautifully sung, Rashmi. दिल खुश कर दिया. और अगर इस गाने की बात करें, इस कवाली की बात करें और मेरा एसोसिएशन है तो फिर I think I'll keep on talking and I just want Nisha to say something. Nisha, क्या कहते हैं आप रश्मि की सिंगिंग के बारे में?
Absolutely wonderful, awesome. I wish
अच्छा.
I could dance.
You can dance. वैसे भी आपको पता है कि रश्मि एक कोरियोग्राफर भी हैं, तो शायद सेशन के बाद आपको एक और सेशन में कुछ डांसेस भी सिखा दे, मूव्स.
Yeah, exactly. I think I need to approach her for that.
You sure. अच्छा, ये बताइए कि अगर मैं वही सवाल आपसे पूछूं कि आपको अपना मूड एकदम पेप अप करना पड़े तो कभी मन करे कि चलो भाई अपने आप को इस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकाले, कोई गाना जो आपके जहन में एकदम से आ जाए, वो कौन सा गाना है?
It's actually a coincidence, but it's the same as Rashmi's answer. It's the next one.
I like this coincidence. Go ahead. And for everybody who has joined us just now, well, you're not almost at the tail end of this show, but nevertheless, enjoy all the beautiful presentation here. And Bharat, if you're there, give us a wave. We will be catching you soon after Nisha. Nisha, go ahead. The mic is yours.
Yeah, the next one is going to be Bhagiraman from the movie Chameli, sung by Sunidhi Chauhan.
बहुत बढ़िया, मजा आ गया। निशा, थैंक यू सो मच। कहते हैं कि जिंदगी इत्तेफाक है और बहुत कुछ, some things are coincidence, some things are just meant for destiny. This movie Chameli, the lead actress, of course, Kareena Kapoor Khan, they said it was a turning point in her career, this particular movie. But incidentally, this movie was first offered to Amisha Patel and she said, I cannot be doing the role of a prostitute and I don't want to do this movie. अगर आपको याद है कि अमीषा पटेल की जो फर्स्ट फिल्म थी ऋतिक रोशन के साथ, कहो ना प्यार है, that was initially first offered to Kareena Kapoor. इंटरेस्टिंग है ना? डेस्टिनी की अगर बात करें, इत्तेफाक की बात करें तो बहुत कुछ होता है। और इत्तेफाक की बात है कि कि हमारे भरत भाई वापस आ गए हैं। भरत,
यस,
1942 का ट्रिप कैसा रहा?
थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं टॉकिंग अबाउट 1942 हीरो, मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए मिस्टर इंडिया बन गया था। बट मैं आ गया।
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा है आप वापस आ गए। तो आप बताइए कि चमेली फिल्म से जो आपने अभी गाना सुना, उसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
चमेली के फिल्म के गाने से ज़्यादा मुझे आपकी स्टोरी पे थोड़ा टिप्पणी देनी है कि दुनिया सचमुच गोल है, एज दे से, राइट? आई मीन करीना कपूर, अमीषा पटेल, करीना कपूर, बट या दिस सॉन्ग was amazingly rendered by Nisha. We had recently done a show also in which she had sung this song, so awesome job, Nisha. I love this. Yeah.
Awesome. भरत ने कहा तो बहुत ही बढ़िया। तो भरत बताइए कि आपने कौन सा गाना पिक किया और आप बताइए कि प्रॉमिस कीजिए कि गाना पूरा करेंगे आप।
मैं जरूर पूरा करने की कोशिश करूंगा, लेकिन टेक्निकल ग्लिच आए तो क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं।
That's okay.
But looks like I think I've resolved that problem, so there should not be an issue now.
Your viewers and your fans are just waiting for you. Go ahead.
Oh, sir, आंखों पर fans. All right. Are the dancing shoes on, guys? Last song, मेरा last song आज का. Please, नाचना ही पड़ेगा आपको, आप रह नहीं सकते. All Amitabh fans out there, come on the dance floor and join me. देखा ना है रे, सोचा ना है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान, कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है, बस यही अरमान। देखा ना है रे, सोचा ना है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान, कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है, बस यही अरमान। अरे डोले 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 ए, डोले 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 ए, डोले 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 ए। मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे, काम कोई कर जाएंगे, मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारो कहाँ। मिट जाएंगे मर जाएंगे, काम कोई कर जाएंगे, मर के भी चैन न मिले तो जाएंगे यारो कहाँ। अरे देखा ना है रे, सोचा ना है रे, रख दी निशाने पे जान, कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है, बस यही अरमान। चले खाके कसम, छोड़ेंगे पीछा ना हम, सर पे कफन बांधे हुए आया दीवाना यहाँ। घर से चले खाके कसम, छोड़ेंगे पीछा ना हम, सर पे कफन बांधे हुए आया दीवाना यहाँ। अरे देखा देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान देखा ना हाय रे सोचा ना हाय रे रख दी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है आज
नहीं नहीं, बिल्कुल मजा आ रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, गड़बड़ में भी बहुत मजा है. Bharat just picked up a song from the film called Madras to Pondicherry. आप बोलेंगे माधवी, no, it is Bombay to Goa. आप भी सही, मैं भी सही. जी हाँ, this film was a remake of a 1966 Tamil movie. नागेश की बहुत ही पॉपुलर फिल्म थी Madras to Pondicherry, and हिंदी it was Bombay to Goa, and this was बच्चन साहब's first solo hit. इससे पहले भी कुछ फिल्में थी, but उसमें उनका solo role नहीं था. And after this movie came Zanjeer, साथ हिंदुस्तानी, and Parwana, I think, was Naveen Nishchal, and after that was Anand, where there were two heroes, main leads, and then came this movie, and then followed by Zanjeer. Thank you so much, Bharat. That was a beautiful rendition.
Thank you.
Hidden gems are hidden gems. तुषार जी, आप कहाँ हैं? खो गए?
I'm right here,
You're here.
enjoying the wonderful evening. And I just want to say one thing about Hidden Gems. I know them since their inception, actually, for last 15 years. And they have performed for us for our ISC FNJ fundraising event for the South Brunswick Board of Education, actually. And we raised about $10,000 we donated to South Brunswick school system in 2011. So wonderful group of people. Thank you so much, all of you. Actually, they have more singers than 4. So, and I know most of them.
We'll definitely get them all on board one of these evenings. अभी आप बताइए कि आप गाना गा रहे हैं ना आज?
So I am gonna finish the evening by dedicating this song to R.D. Burman. We just last week we had his birth anniversary.
Right.
So last Friday we missed it. So usually R.D. Burman is known for Rajesh Khanna and Kishore Kumar, but I'm gonna sing a song of Mukesh ji, which he doesn't sing that often.
That's right.
सुहानी चांदनी रातें हमें सोने नहीं देती सुहानी चांदनी रातें हमें सोने नहीं देती तुम्हारे प्यार की बातें हमें सोने नहीं देती सुहानी चांदनी रातें हमें सोने नहीं देती तुम्हारी रेशमी जुल्फों में दिल के फूल खिलते थे तुम्हारी रेशमी जुल्फों में दिल के फूल खिलते थे कहीं फूलों के मौसम में कभी हम भी मिलते थे पुरानी वो मुलाकातें हमें सोने नहीं देती तुम्हारे प्यार की बातें हमें सोने नहीं देती सुहानी चांदनी रातें हमें सोने नहीं देती लग जाए दिल में आग पानी से, कहीं ऐसा न हो लग जाए दिल में आग पानी से, बदल दे रास्ता अपना घटाए मेहरबानी से, कि यादों की ये बरसाते हमें सोने नहीं देती, तुम्हारे प्यार की बातें हमें सोने नहीं देती, सुहानी चांदनी रातें हमें सोने नहीं देती। Thank you.
क्या बात है, Dr. Tushar Patel, mesmerizing all of us here, all the viewers on Zoom, Facebook Live, and also on YouTube. Indus TV's presentation, Shamegana. Almost a time to wrap up. Let me have a quick roundup with all our presenters, our singers this evening. 30 seconds for your final words. Let's start with Rajesh. Rajesh, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I was just getting off mute. So first of all, I'd like to thank Indus TV and Dr. Tushar Patel. Madhavi, you did a fantastic job. It was a very wonderful evening. It was our pleasure to be performing here, and I hope the viewers enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed performing for them. You can get to know more about Hidden Gems if you go to www.hidden-gems.org, and there you can find out more about our group. Thank you again very much for giving us this opportunity, and I hope everybody had a wonderful time. We did.
Thank you. Rashmi ji?
Thank you so much, Madhavi ji. So
you.
this is like awesome opportunity, and we really enjoyed it as much as I think all the viewers also enjoyed. I'm hoping they enjoyed, and really grateful to be here today, and grateful
Likewise.
to be a part of Hidden Gems as well. Thank you
Like-
so much, and you were awesome, Madhavi ji.
Thank you. Nisha ji?
Ditto that, Madhvi, you were actually terrific. So we had a lot of fun with your emceeing, and thank you so much for having us as part of this event. Hope the audience enjoyed it as much as we did. Thank you.
Thank you. Bharat, you're here.
मैं हूँ यार. तुषार भाई, आपने you surprised me today. I mean, आपने रुला दिया सचमुच. Seriously, no kidding. What a soulful and what a fantastic rendition by you of that song. Thank you so much. So thank you again, Indus TV, Madhavi, Tushar bhai, and people associated with Indus TV. We, as I said, when COVID struck, this was the first time we have been performing. We are not used to not performing for this longer time. And I have been behind Madhavi and Tushar bhai to give us that opportunity. And so thank you very much for allowing us to perform on this platform. We would like to come again if there's an opportunity and entertain the audience. And I had a rocking time, except for that one glitch in between. But otherwise, I had a fun time, and I hope the audiences also had a good time. So thank you very much for inviting us.
I don't know what glitch you're talking about. Everything was fine. And
Mr.
Dr.
India.
Tushar Patel, Mr. India. Patel sir, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
Thank you all four of you, Hidden Gems, for coming to Shamegana. Wonderful evening. We almost hour and a half. Didn't even realize that almost 9:30. Thank you so much, Madhvi, for the week 14. Amazing performance every week after week. And we have many more surprises to go this month, next Friday and the following Fridays. So please keep coming, and thank you Indus TV and everyone, PGA, and all the audience through Zoom as well as Facebook Live for joining for last 14 weeks. Next Friday again, 8 o'clock, Shamegana. Thank you.
जी हाँ,
Thank
बिल्कुल. Friends, another Independence Day is here, and I think in a day or two again it'll go away. By July 5th, you'll say, "Hare, kal Independence Day tha." Independence Day, what our ancestors fought for and what our military stands for, definitely have its own meaning. But what do you stand for, and what is your responsibility towards it? Please make it a point to have that introspection and talk about it with your children and your loved ones. Well, whether you're pondering about the job that you have in hand or the job that you're planning to apply, your relationships, everything around us, we have something which is binding us together. But when this binding is there, there's also some independence of thoughts. So create something new, bring it together, and let's celebrate together here on Shamegana next Friday. Until then, stay safe. This is Madhvi Batula signing off. Good night.